Hello, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, sir. I hope you are doing good, inshallah, by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, I'm Fufana, and in this assignment, I am going to explain how these codes work in order to generate random maze. So, let's get started. Moving to the first line of this codes, here we just create the assignment package. Then next we import two Java classes, which are java.util.collections and java.util.arrays. So basically we import the class java.util.collections here because in the maze each node will be a collection, and we will shuffle those collections and make them random. Also, the class java.util.arrays is imported here because later in the codes we will be using a function called .toList, which I'm going to show later. So next, in line 5, we create a class here called assignMaze, and inside the class we just declare some variables x and y. Then we create an array of maze in line 8, and then next, line 10, we just create a default constructor to initialize our maze size. Then here, line 16, we overload the default constructor by giving it some parameters, and then inside we create an array of user given size. Then we call the function generate maze, which will generate the maze for us. So later I'm going to show this function below here in the codes. So next, moving to line 22. Okay, so we create a method here called print maze. So this method is the method that is going to draw the maze on the screen so that the user can see it, and inside it has some loop to print the north, the west, and the bottom line, the north edge, the west edge, and the bottom line of the maze. So yeah, next we will move to line 42. Now this is the function we just call in the default constructor. So yeah, this is the function or the method that is going to generate the maze alongside their direction, hence the visit and not visit nodes. Alright, so inside here in line 45, this is now where we did the collection we imported earlier. So we shuffle all the maze here and make them random, all the mazes, and make them random here. So yeah, next, line 58. So we created a method, a boolean method called distance, which will calculate the distance of the maze of one to another, then returns either true or false. Okay, then next we create an enum, a class to store the location of a node in the maze array. So this function will determine the direction of a node in the array of maze. Hence we created the variables. So we created the variables north, south, west, and east, and also we initialize their opposites. So yeah, that's all. The next is our main class. We just create the main class and we assign the size maze of the maze, then we create a new object of maze, then we call the function print maze. So let's run this code and see what is going to happen. Boom. See, this is the output of the maze of a random maze 6 times 6. So yeah, I think that's all for this assignment. And yes, Assalamu alaikum.